This is going to be a trading tutorial video on how to use the Finelo app. So, as you may know, the Finelo is a trading platform designed to teach trading and investing through bite-sized daily lessons like classes with a 28-day challenge and a complete risk-free AI-powered market simulator. So firstly, you need to sign up in order to Finalo in order to access it. So what you're going to do is go to your Play Store or App Store. Just go to your Play Store or App Store and then search for Finalo. Just type in Finalo, search for it, and install the app on your device. So once you install the app, you might need to sign up and create your account. To create your account, all you need is just your email address and a password that you're going to use with Finalo. So just do that. And while setting up, they will ask you a few questions about your experience with trading and all those things. So you just have to answer like those questions. It's like a quiz. Just answer them, and then use your email address to create your account. So once you have already created your account, you will get to this screen here. So this is your Finalo app screen here. So once you have already signed up and everything all set up, you comes with the 28-day challenge. So in this 28-day challenge, you go to do all these classes. So on your left side here, you will see there is a learn option here. Tap. So this is where you do all your learning. So on each day, you will have to complete all these classes here. So for example, there are 4 classes on day 1, then day 2, there are another 4 classes. So if you tap on it, it will start the class. So if you click on start, and you have the option to read it. If you want to, you can read the lessons, or you can also listen to it if you don't want to read it. So you have that option. So if you want to read it, you can hit on read, and it's going to now generate the lessons for you. So what you're going to do is you're going to simply tap on it and then read it. So let's start, and then you just have to read the questions and everything. And by the end of each lesson, they might like ask you for a quiz, like it's like a small quiz based on what you have read just now. So you just have to answer that and hit on check, and they'll give you a right or wrong answer. Okay, so that's how you complete the lessons here. So I'm just going to end this for now. So this is the learn section here, where you have to like engage with these lessons daily on a daily basis. Okay, and you can practice like the to practice trading and all trading related things. So you can complete the whole course here from the learning section here. And when you get to this one, this is the tool section here. So from here, you can analyze your chart. So if you click on analyze now, what you can do is you can upload your trading chart, whatever you have. If you have already been doing it, you can just upload it here and then receive an in-depth analysis. So you can do that, or you can choose asset to scan. So you can hit on this choose asset to scan. So you can scan an asset and then analyze it. So this option, you can do that. And you have other AI tools here which you can explore, like the market forecaster, smart pattern finder. So all these ones, like if you have the pro version, so you'll have access to all these similar charts here. So they will give you help you with exploring more. These are all AI powered, and they will help you with exploring your AIs, your markets and everything. Okay, so if you click on it, you can add this same thing. You just add your chart here, and then it will do the analysis for you. Or you can also choose an asset to scan. If you click on choose an asset to scan, you can choose an asset and it will do the scan for you. So for example, let's say I want to scan like Apple Inc. So tap on Apple Inc, and how long I want to like the time frame, let's say 15 minutes, get insights. Tap on get insights. As you can see, it's now doing the job. So it's getting the charts, pulling the key points, prices, signals, everything. It's doing everything, and then it will show you here. So as you can see here, there you go. You'll see all the a summary of the analysis, their current scenarios, and all those things. They have, there is a AI summary version here which you can read. You can read and then get an understanding of it. Okay, so you can just like that. You can just analyze any stocks here if you want to, and that's you can use it. That's how you can use these tools, the AI analyzing tools here. And the next one is the portfolio tab. This is where you can find your simulator and everything. So what you can do, if you want to like buy an assets, you can click on these buy assets. By default, you'll get $1,000, but you can use that to practice with it. Okay, so if you want to buy something, so hit on buy assets. So when you click on buy assets here, it will show up all the assets here. So you can like sort them using stocks. If you want to just look into stocks, tap on the stock options. It will give you all the stocks here. If you want interested in crypto, then tap on the crypto here. It will show you all the crypto markets here. So for example, in stocks, as you can see in the list here, you will see there is the two different color options here. One is the green color, one is the violet. The green one here, which means there's a little arrow up, which means that the stock value is going up. That's why it's in green and a little arrow up there. Whereas here, you see, if you can see, there is a violet one here, and it says there's an arrow going down. For example, like Netflix, it says here, which means like the stock value is just going down. So this is like a pretty evident like indicator here, which you can straight away see which market is going up and which market is going down just from the color itself. So it's a very good indicator. So you can just browse through any of these, and if you want to buy or something, so you can just tap on it, and it's going to ask you, you will get to this screen here where it will give you the details and values of these charts and of this stock and everything. For example, Apple, this is the one. And then if you want to analyze this asset, hit on this analyze this asset here. Again, choose a time frame, and then it will get the insights and everything for you again. So if you do that, if you select it, you don't get insights, the same thing, it's going to give you a summary, the details and everything about this. So it's going to ask you for that. So it's going to calculate the signals, key points, everything. So as you can see here, it's fully a fully report here, which you can simply read through before you make any decisions. So you can save the report if you want to here by clicking on the save report option. Okay, so you can do that. And then if you have any other specific questions, so if you maybe you have a doubt or something about this stock, you can hit on this ask AI about Apple. So you can tap on this and ask the AI about any questions. If you have, you can just ask that, and then it will give you the answer for it. And also your positions and everything, all details will be here. And if you have decided to make a purchase, what you're going to do is hit on the buy option here, and then here select the amount that you wish to buy and everything, and hit on the buy option here and to complete the purchase. So that's how you can buy the funds there. So this is how you use the simulator here. And then next one is the leaderboard here. If you click on the leaderboard option here, this will show you your scores, like whenever you complete the lessons every week. So when you complete lessons every week, if you hit on join, it will show up here, and if you successfully complete, you will get rewards every week. So that's just to keep you make the lessons interesting and keep you going. It will give you rewards and all those things, which you can access through the leaderboard option here. Here is your profile. So here this is where you can look into your profile. You can create an avatar if you want to. You can just hit on create avatar or change avatar to create one, and you can view your progress and achievements all through here. And you have the settings icon here on your top right there, where you can access your subscription plans, your account details, settings, everything. Anything you want to change or want to look into it, you can get it from the account settings here. So this is pretty much the app it is. So always remember, this app actually will help you to teach or practice the trading and everything, but it's actually only for educational purpose. So it's designed to teach and trade, to help you with trading through the lessons and the 28-day challenge, and with the help of the market simulator. Use the simulator tool to practice trading stocks and cryptos with the virtual money, so allowing you to see how your decisions play out without risk. So it's a very good tool for you to practice before you actually get into live trading and everything.